Okay, before I start creating the model, I'll just modify some things in the interface. The column in the add primary key and add column should be of type column options. And I have a typo in the base model class. It's not auto increment. Yeah, there was a typo. I forgot the N. And in the default value, I need to add a single quote like this. So this is done. Okay, to start creating the model, I will const model. I will create an FV which will define a function string which will extend the base model. Base model.call with this, and this dot name equal name. This is the name of the table I was referencing. Area model dot prototype object dot create the base model prototype. Then I will return the model. Okay, const. I will create a table called users type model, new model as any users. This is the name of the table. Okay, users dot add primary key ID auto increment true and the type int. Now I can change the methods since I am returning the object itself each time. So add column name type varchar. The length will be 250. The default no name. Okay, I will add an enum value. Role type enum default user enum values user and admin, and add column date. That type will be date type. Okay, I will call build table. This will okay, this build table will just add a property called table which holds the query. Okay, now I can console.log users.table. I am running npm run watch here. Node index. So yeah, create table if not exist users. The ID auto increment and the name is varchar with length 250. Not null because in the default behavior is not null. Since if you are not saying it should be none, it should be none. The default no name. The role is enum with the user and admin, not null, and the default is user. So this is coming from the how the enum is formatted and the length for the varchar from this function get correct format. We will extend this in the future. Some types does not need to be formatted like the date or integer for a basic usage. To create the table, I will change the name of the database. It's ORM. I will call it ORM 3. So I need to create this database. ORM 3. Yes. Okay. Dot create table. This will return a promise. I will just console log the resolved values in the error and on the reject and on the resolve. Okay, this should if it's returned an object, everything went correctly. Errors, it just will dump an errors here. Yeah, so disk users. So yeah, you can see here ID integer, name varchar, the default no name, and the role is enum. Okay, I will create a record right now, but first I made a mistake in the CRUD class. I need to pass the values in the from specify the query. Yeah. So to create a record, I can just type users dot create, can pass a type here which will help us in the autocomplete interface. Users ID number and name string, date will be type date, and role user or admin. So I won't provide the ID when I'm creating the record, so it will be partial of user, so I can have autocomplete. So name or what, my name, and role will be admin, date will be new date. So yeah, if this is went correctly, we should see a record in the database. And the patch, if we convert this to async await, it will be much easier to read, but just I'm testing that. Okay, yeah, affected rows 1, inserted ID 1. So start from user. Yeah, we have the first user. So I will admin and user. I'm adding another one, and I will update the first user. Users dot update. The new data will be name. Yeah, I will also specify the type. Partial of users. So the name, I will change the name. The name will be updated name. The where condition, it will be ID value of 1, and let's say name. It's enough, but yeah, name will be value be equal to 1. The operation should be and. Okay, good then. Should we just, I won't add these. I will convert the function to sync. Wait. I will surround everything with try catch. Console.error. Yeah. Okay, we are updating and inserting another user. Updating the first one and inserting another one. Then I will let's just add 2 users. I will delete the reward 3. So users.delete await. We don't need await, but yeah. The name on partial. Yeah. we don't have a generic type in the delete. Oh yeah, sure. We don't need to specify data, just a where condition. Okay, name equal value, which will be RWAD 3. Let's just test if this does not give us an error. And ID will be value of 3, and operation will be OR. Okay. Then I'll just const users equal users dot select. Oh yeah, this select. Yeah, I will just get everything. Our console.log. That is. So let's set. Oh yeah, await. But just let's go to the. So yeah, we deleted the user that has an ID of 3. We inserted this one, and we updated the name of the user that have ID 1. Just to, I will rerun this. I forgot wait. So yeah, here we have 3 users. Okay. This one we inserted it again, and the update query was successful. It's the same name, and the delete did not work because we don't have one called RWAD 3 or its ID at 3. And the select, yeah, it works. I will just remove the console logs from the CRUD. Yes, this one and this one. I will select their names. Yeah, I will just stop doing these. No, I will keep doing. Q is not defined. Oh yeah, sorry. I should delete this one. Okay, yeah. That's the names. If we need to dot select dot, this will be an array. Let's say array of users, partial users, because we are only getting the names. So map u.name. So this will give us 5 names. Yeah, 6 names. Okay. So yeah. So okay, I will select the users that have the ID of 1 or name equal RWAD 2. But first, I forgot to pass the prepared array to the in the select in the CRUD class. So yeah, I will make sure I am passing it everywhere. This is the second time I'm making the same mistake. Okay. So to do this, I will const this to it will be array of partial users equal await users dot select undefined. This will make the columns just be a star, so it will select everything. Where ID equal the value will be 1. So the first updated name, the name of the user that has the ID of 1. And the second condition, the name value will be RUD2, which we have a lot of them, and the operation will be OR. So we will get the user that has the ID of 1 and the users that has the name of 1. I will just console log the rest two. Yeah, I forgot to save the CRUD class that changes here. Yeah, sorry. Okay, so these are the users that has the name for what2. We have the ID of 1, so the query works. Yeah, let's say and a role of admin. Role equal value admin. The operation should be and. Yeah, ID of 1 and the role of admin, and this does not there is no any user called what2 with the role admin. Let's just create one. Yeah, okay, this is a basic one. I think I will extend it to have joins and relations and nested queries. So this is not that powerful, just simple. I might reorganize the code. Yeah, I might add a file that just exports the model function, model constructor function. Okay, bye.